Good morning, students. This is Abhishek Sharma from MLZS School, Jhansi. Today we are taking third module of chapter 1 of macroeconomics, that is scope of macroeconomics. In this module we have to cover 6 points. First point is estimation of national income, that is NNP at FC and related aggregates. Second, theory of employment. Third, theory of money. Fourth, theory of general price level, that is inflationary and deflationary gaps, role of the government and exchange rate and balance of payment. So, moving to the topic, scope of macroeconomics. Scope of macroeconomics refers to the field of the study or area of study of macroeconomics. The first point is estimation of national income and related aggregates. Macroeconomics starts with the concept of national income, that is NNP at FC. It deals with the definition of estimation of national income and its related aggregates like GDP, gross domestic product, and NDP, net domestic product. Second, theory of employment. Macroeconomics studies the theories related to employment or unemployment in the economy. Keynesian theory of employment is of significance in this context. It explains the various causes of unemployment and suggests the possible best way to combat it. Third, theory of money. Creation of money or creation of credit by the commercial banks is an important component of macroeconomics. Linked to it is the role of central bank of the country, that is Reserve Bank of India in regulating the supply of money in the economy. Fourth, the theory of general price level, that is inflationary and deflationary gaps. This is just another important component of macroeconomics. It reveals the trend path of the general price level leading to the inflationary and deflationary gaps in the economy. Fifth, the role of the government, that is government budget. The policies made by the government is known as fiscal policies. On the other hand, policies which are made by central bank of the country, that is RBI in India, is known as monetary policies. The macroeconomics studies how government budget impacts the level of economic activity in the economy. Last, exchange rate and balance of payment. The determination of exchange rate and way it is managed in the international money market is an important element of the scope of macroeconomics. So students, first point, estimation of national income and related aggregates. National income means NNP at FC or aggregate supply, and related terms which are related to national income is gross GDP at MP, GNP at MP, GNP at FC, NDP at MP, etc. Second, the theory of employment. As I have said earlier in my lecture, Keynesian theory is the best to study this part because it reveals how unemployment is there in the economy and how this problem can be solved. Third point is the theory of money. Creation of money by central bank of country, that is RBI in the country. How they control and monitor the money supply in the economy. Fourth, theory of general price level. When aggregate demand is equal to aggregate supply, there will be a perfect equilibrium condition. But when this balance gets disturbed by excess of aggregate demand or excess of aggregate supply, inflationary and deflationary gaps are created. Fifth point is the role of the government. What role government plays in the economy? As a producer, as a consumer, what are its fiscal policies regarding public finance, that is public revenue and public expenditure. Sixth point is exchange rate and balance of payment. What is the prevailing exchange rate of the country and what is the balance of payment? Balance of payment is the systematic recording of economic transaction between the two countries. Sometimes it is surplus, sometimes it is deficit, and sometimes it is balance. So Today we have studied 6 points of scope of macroeconomics. This is all for today. Thank you, students.